I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've forgotten your American Express card PIN, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Visit the American Express website. Go to the official American Express website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, find the Account Services section. This is where you can manage your card settings, including your PIN. Step 3. Select PIN Recovery. Look for the option labeled PIN Recovery or Manage PIN. Click on it to start the recovery process. Step 4. Verify your identity. You will be prompted to verify your identity, which may include answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number linked to your account. Step 5. Set a new PIN. After your identity is verified, you can set a new PIN. Choose something memorable but secure. Remember, your new PIN should not be easily guessed. If you encounter any issues during this process, check if your account is locked or if you need to update your contact information first. I hope this helps you recover your PIN smoothly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.